In a quiet and comfortable beauty clinic room, an experienced beauty doctor gently prepares the equipment. The warm light from the spotlight illuminates the ears of the patient, who is sitting quietly in the treatment chair. The patient, a young woman, was a little nervous but had full confidence in the doctor's skills. The doctor put on sterile gloves and took a special tool to clean blackheads in the ear. With a very careful touch, it started working. Every movement felt gentle, yet skilled, as if the doctor had done this 1,000 times. The patient's breathing begins to slow, feeling more relaxed as time goes on. "Don't worry, it won't hurt," the doctor said in a soothing voice. When the tool touches the skin, the blackheads in the ear are slowly lifted. The doctor cleans it with precise techniques, ensuring there is no pain or discomfort. He also provides a brief explanation, informing patients about the importance of keeping the ear area clean to prevent blackheads and infections. After a few minutes, the process is complete, and the patient's ears appear cleaner and healthier. "It's finished," said the doctor with a smile. "Now you can feel more comfortable." The patient smiled with relief, feeling satisfied with the results and happy that the process was easier than he had imagined. The beauty doctor then gives several care suggestions, ensuring the patient knows how to keep the ears and the skin around them clean so that they stay healthy and clean.